How to change settings in Peacock TV. If you're a fan of Peacock TV and want to customize your settings, you're in the right place. Whether it's just adjusting your account settings, turning on subtitles, or modifying playback preferences, I'll show you exactly how to do it, so let's get started. First things first, open up the Peacock TV app on your device or head over to the Peacock website at www.peacocktv.com and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of the screen and you should see a profile icon or your account name. Click on that to open your account settings. Here you can simply change various settings like Wi-Fi only playback and learn about terms of use and learn privacy policy of Peacock TV. You can choose whichever you prefer. Once you've done that, let's go back. Here you can simply edit your profile. Here you can change your name, current rating like adult, child, your profile pin, your avatar, and more. And that's it. This is how you can simply modify some settings on Peacock TV.